Alright you guys, we're back with another great video. It's your Chef Martin Reyes. Well, today I have prepared potatoes, tomatoes, a little bit of chili, ground pepper, garlic, and these that I'm going to be putting in the oven. I don't know if you guys can see that. Bring it closer. Give me a second here. Light up in here. So, if you guys can see that, got a little bit of everything in there. So, what I wanted to do was fold these up so they'll cook evenly in the oven, and basically, and in this one, I'm going to show you that I put 2 pieces of tilapia in there. So it's all set to go. So I'm trying to eat a little bit healthy, you know, lose a little bit of weight, but basically the doctor assured me that if I do this, my high cholesterol would go down. So this is me giving it a whirl. And over here I got corn. 5 pieces of corn. So what I'm going to do next is my version of a nice family dinner. This is also going to cook in the oven. Got some people coming over. Very hungry people. So you could pretty much do this the way you guys want at home. It doesn't require anything special. Just if you want to make your own version, remember, cut up some garlic cloves, there's some red potatoes, and give it a whirl. Put your own seasonings in it, whatever you want. So this is me giving it a dash of basically a little bit of everything. So the reason I'm covering up the corn right now is so it will cook underneath. I actually put a little bit of butter in there too. Okay. Well, you guys excuse me for one moment. Okay. So, that's 2 little potatoes that fell over. And what I'm going to do right now is add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil to it. Bring in that taste. Really bring in that taste. There we go. About 2 teaspoons worth. There we go. And you could pretty much use your own salt, but what I use is kosher salt. For health reasons, a little bit of kosher salt. There we go. And my personal favorite, get a little bit of zing, a little bit of garlic. Good for the immune system. There we go. Bam. Not too bad. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Yes? Look at that. You can't beat it. Oh yeah. So, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to preheat our oven about 450, put it on big, and get our things ready here. So it's all gonna go in the oven. And join me back in a couple minutes, and I will about 45 minutes, and we'll see what we have for you. Alright guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, we're back, and this is our end result. I want to bring it up close to the camera so you guys can see. We got our potatoes, our tilapia, our chilies, our seasonings in there, a little bit of garlic, a little bit of kosher salt, a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. It came out beautiful. Once again, if you guys like what you see, please subscribe to Chef Martin Reyes, and we will have more great content for you. So, once again, another great video. Like I said, I might not be too good at camera skills or whatnot, but this is the end result, and I want you guys to keep coming back, and I should have more great videos for you. Please stay with me and share my experience, my love of cooking, you know, with you guys. And I look forward to seeing you guys down in the comments. I want to hear nothing but positive stuff or positive reinforcement, what I can do to improve, or if you guys got any suggestions. So please let me know, and I'll see you there. This is your Chef Martin Reyes once again with more great food.